Here is the fuel tank to my 1999 Honda Valkyrie. I noticed that when I removed it so that I could access my carburetors to remove and rebuild those, I noticed that the fuel valve, Petcock, whatever you want to call it, was leaking. As you can see, it's seen better days and it's dirty. So my next thing to do is to drain the fuel, tear it apart, and see what it'll take to repair it. Okay, here's a better view of the valve. So, let's see, what do I need to do to take it apart? Well, first thing I should do is separate it from the tank. And then tear it apart. Okay, so now that I've removed the valve from the tank, it's time to take it apart. But it looks good. I gotta clean this. So, let's see. Unscrew that. Would like to use my drill for this, but fuel fumes. I think my drill is brushless, but better safe than sorry. Alright, last one. Now I really don't know what, I know there should be a diaphragm in here, because fuel should not flow, even if the valve is on. Fuel should not flow without vacuum here. This is connected to one of the carburetor intakes. So when it's running, even starting, but when it's running, there's a vacuum. So see how easy. Oh, look at that, come right apart. All right, sticky. Okay. Looks like it separates here as well. So how am I going to get that apart? There we go. Alright, gotta be very careful. Alright. So that all looks good. And place that there. Okay, so let me see. It's all wet. How to pull this out of here? Ah, there we go. Oh, a little spring. Okay. Just to push it. Yep, the spring closes it. Okay, now this little diaphragm. Here's the diaphragm I was discussing. Alright. So, huh. Really don't. What's this? See if you look inside there. Excuse me. Really don't want to hurt this. But the thing is, when I try to pull that, it tries to pull through. Not like it's supposed to. But I'm not sure I want to separate. Well, just seal. Let's see. Okay. Carefully. I should put some vacuum on it first because I'm concerned. Okay, there we go. Alright. See if I push that through. There we go. Okay. Diaphragm actually looks good. But see? Schmutz. Well, time to clean everything here. Nope, can't turn that by hand. Doesn't matter. Little ball down in there. So, let me see what's going on. Alright, time to put this together. I cleaned it as best I could. Had the fuel tube good. I cleaned the filter. Seen a little better days, but hey, I'm good. I have no problem with that. So, actually I can go ahead and put this back on. Alright. Oh, come on, Bessie. Sure how that goes. There we go. Yep, in there. Okay. So, I guess the next thing to do is this. I cleaned that as what I could. That's to drain down. Now I do need to get this back in there. So, put this through. Now that seals there. Alright, now I gotta put this guy in. Alright, so that's the best way to do this. I do this side first. Or should I do that side first? See if I put that spring on there. Alright. Because I do know oops. That's not good. Alright, oh look at that. Huh. I don't like this bit here right here. Alright. So see this? What happens if I press it down there? Huh. Wait a minute. Stand by. I don't like the way that. Maybe I should put that away from the drain. That goes in there. Goes there. Okay. Let me get these screws started. Alright. Let's go to the opposite side. There. Do this, make sure I get them tight. No, not tight. I just need to snuggle them up so they don't move. Alright. Yep. That one in there good. Number 4. Alright, so not too tight, gotta do just enough. I know there is a torque spec, but I don't have a way of torquing it. Alright, there we go. It's clean is what it needs. It's not seen. It's cleaned internally. That's what's important to me. Alright. That's ready to go back in the tank. Alright, so there's the fuel petcock installed back on my tank. Let me try that again. Alright, there we go. Do have to clean here. Just quick. Doesn't really matter. It's not seen. Comedy.